Hey YouTube family, welcome to another video, another foundation review video. In today's video, as promised, in honor of Black History Month, well, not only for Black History Month, I feature Black owned brands all year round because I am a Black history all year round. This melanin does not change, just forever. But specifically for February, I wanted to feature, when I did my foundation review videos, specifically Black owned brands in the month of February. So I did two other videos before. I featured Laws of Nature Cosmetics and Valana Minerals. I will link those videos above and below in the description bar so you can watch it if you're interested. Now today it is another Black owned, woman owned green beauty company, and I will be reviewing their foundation. It is the company luv&co. I purchased these foundations with my own money, so these are not sponsored videos. And as usual, you guys already know, I purchased the samples. From their foundation line, they have two different foundations that I saw. They have the Loose Mineral Foundation and also the Love Liquid Mineral Foundation. And I purchased both of the samples. For the samples of the Loose Powder Foundation, they had three options. They had a sweet, sweeter, and sweetest, I believe. And the sweet is like the lighter tones, sweeter is the mid tones, and the sweetest are like the darker tones. So I purchased the darker sample set, and it came with three different loose foundation samples. In the sweetest set, which is the darkest set, the one that I purchased, you get sample M50, MR60, and SY70. And then as far as their liquid mineral foundation samples are concerned, they do not specifically list the samples for sale on the website, but I contacted the owner and informed her that I wanted to try the samples, and she sent it complimentary with me purchasing the other sample set, if that makes sense. So it's not on the website to purchase the liquid samples, but if you reach out to the owner and if you, I believe, buy something else, or I believe upon request, don't quote me, definitely reach out to her. They will send it to you complimentary. But like I said, reach out to them first. All right, without further ado, let's swatch the different shades, find my shade matches in the different samples, and move on from there. The first one I'm going to swatch is the M50. Not sure if you can see that one, but this is M50. It starts off brown, and then when I rub it in, it looks like it gets like a gray ashy tone. Next, we're going to swatch MR60. So that is MR60 right next to it. And the last one is SY70. I honestly don't know which shade. All three shades are right there. I still haven't made a decision about which loose mineral foundation I want to pick to review for you guys yet. So what I decided to do was I rubbed it out a little bit more. And because I learned my lesson from my previous foundation review video of Valana Minerals, I'm going to give it some more time to really warm up to my skin after I rub them out, and then I'm going to choose. But the three colors are still there. The first one, the middle one, and the last one. So I'm going to give it some more time to warm up to my skin, and then I'll decide which one to choose. In the meantime, let's swatch the Liquid Mineral Foundation. And I have two samples of those, not three, so hopefully the decision will be much easier. I have the shade Toffee and the shade Mocha. Let's swatch Toffee first. This is Toffee. And now let's swatch Mocha. And yes, I am cleaning my fingers in between. I have wipes here, so I'm not mixing the foundations. Alright, so these are the two colors blended out. I actually like both of them. It's hard for me to decide, but the one that evaporates more into my skin, that I can hardly see the difference between it and my skin, is the first one, which is this one right here. This is Mocha. Toffee is still pretty good as well, but it does have more of a pinkish undertone, and I can see that one a little bit more. But to be honest, I can see myself wearing either one of them. I'm gonna go with mocha, I think, for this go round. Now for this side, oh Lord. So I'm gonna go with this first one here, which was SY70. With a clean, well, the brush was clean, but I already dipped into the powder. I'm going to go ahead and apply the Loose Mineral Foundation on this side of my face, whatever side this is for you. For me, it's my left side. This is my face with nothing, and this is my face with one layer of the SY70. I think I made a pretty good choice. Color-wise, it's matching pretty good. It really softened my skin. I think I made a good choice. It was intimidating at first, but once you rub it in and blend it out, it looks pretty good. I'm liking it. So let me just put a little bit more just to apply another layer, just to see how buildable it is, and then I'll be right back. This is the face with a second layer applied. Not much of a big difference, but I like the way it's looking on my skin. Once again, foundation on this side, nothing on this side. And I actually think it looks pretty good so far. Pretty good. It does give me a very natural look. It's not a heavy coverage foundation. It is a very light coverage foundation, I would say. After 2 layers, this is what it looks like, and I like it. Makes my skin, just gave my skin just a natural oomph. Like I could just brush this on and run to the grocery store really quick. Now let us move on to the liquid mineral, and I'm going to try the shade, like I said, Mocha. This is one application of Mocha to my skin. I know you guys can't see how my skin looked before because I already have the foundation over here, the loose mineral, but you guys got a general idea, right? You got it. So let me apply another layer and I'll come back and show you guys. This is Mocha applied to the right side of my face. It's nice. It's nice. But I feel like, honestly speaking, it's not as vibrant. My face doesn't look as vibrant as it could look. It's not ashy, but it's just like, look at this side is more rich, more melanated. This side, I mean, the melanin is still there, but it's just not as rich. Maybe I should have went with toffee instead. I feel like there's not much life in this side of my face. So I think I'm gonna take this side off and I'm going to try toffee instead and see which one goes better. Let me know in the comment section. I mean, I can't change my thought process right now, but in the comment section, tell me if you are liking Mocha, which is this right now, if you're liking Mocha. And I'm going to take off Mocha right now, and I'm going to apply toffee instead. So Mocha is gone, and now this is toffee that I'm going to blend in. Ooh, phone. And if toffee doesn't work, then oh well, because I'm not going to take it off again. I'm sorry. And these dry quick. You gotta work fast. I think I like this one better. I do. Definitely has a little, when I first watched it, a little bit more pinkish red undertone, but I like this one better. I just feel my face looks more rich, you know? I like it better. So let me apply another layer and then I'll come back. All right, you guys, I am back. So this is how the face is looking. This is 2 applications of toffee on the right side of my face. They both have their unique looks. I think this side is definitely more yellow. This side is definitely more reddish roses color, more red undertones. But I like it. I do like it. They both complement me in different ways. I added some eyebrows, just basic brows. I did it in a rush because I have things to do. Now on the website, there's not much description about each individual product, so I can't really share that much with you because it's not there. But I believe, let's start with the liquid side. For me applying it, it looks like it should be a matte formula because it dried down pretty quick and it mattified my face. And just from what I'm seeing, I think it is a matte formula. Wait a minute, let's pause for a minute. Let's put some gloss or something on my lips because I am out here just looking basic. Like I was saying, based on how it looks on my skin, it looks like it is a matte formula. It dried down matte. I had to work with it very quickly because it dried down very quickly. But let's see how it carries on for the rest of the day. I like the way it looks on my skin. It really complements my skin tone. It's not too heavy. I'm liking it. Let me know what you guys think. I think this is a better choice for me as opposed to Mocha. Mocha was just too light. This is more rich. And on their website, this is their darkest shade in the liquid foundation. It fits me, but as you know, there are many more melanated women that are much darker than me, so a little bit more room for improvement there. For this foundation, they offer 6 shades. Now moving on to this side, this is, like I said, the loose mineral foundation. It's still looking good on my skin. They offer, I don't know how to explain this one, right? For the loose mineral, they offer matte and luminous. However, it's not like for this color you can get matte or luminous shade in this color. How it works is dependent on, like, for example, this particular color SY70 only come in the luminous. They don't have it in the matte. The other shades, like, there are different shades that come in matte. So if they might not have your shade in the matte version, but they'll have your shade in the luminous version. I guess that's based on the ingredients that they use. I don't know, I'm not too sure. But this particular one, which is SY70, is the luminous version. Look on the website if I'm confusing you, I'm sorry. But this is it. Like I said, I'm not gonna apply anything else on my face. I might just apply some mascara. Let me do that right now. Just mascara from Plain Jane, just mascara. And then I'm going to head out the door. I have things to do today. Gotta hit up the bank. Gotta clean the house. And come back and let you guys know my final thoughts. Time is 10:29 in the morning. I'll be back later. I am back. The time is now 4:29, so 4:30 in the afternoon. Let me put on my lip gloss because, you know, don't want to look basic. Oh, just in case you're wondering, the lip gloss is from Red Apple Lipsticks and the color was raspberry. This is how the face is looking. This was the loose mineral side. Very luminous, dewy kind of look after a few hours of wear. And this was the liquid mineral side. Still pretty matte, you guys. Of course, in my nose and the T-zone area, the nose is oily. The nose will forever be oily, and the forehead is still oily. That's just how it rolls. But you guys can definitely see the difference in the liquid side and the loose mineral side. Both I love. Of course, my preference will be the liquid side because I do have oily combination skin. I just prefer my skin to look like this. I would definitely recommend this side more for combination or oily skin, and this side for the drier skin. But all in all, I do like both of them, and I did minimal activity today. Well, not minimal, but I spent my day doing chores around the house, cleaning, dusting, editing another video. Also, I left the house a few times to go, you know, run chores around the area, run errands, and so on and so forth. And then I live in New York, so the weather is kind of 40-degree-ish, so it's winter time, but it's not too cold. It's definitely not hot. But this is how it's looking, and I actually like both of them. I really do. But I will lean, like I said, more towards this one. Would I recommend it? Yes. As long as you can find your shade, I would say you're definitely good to go. Definitely try to get your hand on the samples if you're interested, because, you know, I'm a samples girl. I love my samples, and samples just let you try it before you buy it. So get the samples, try it. Let me know if you do. Look, there is like no oil at all over here. Maybe if I'm doing more activities, eventually the oil will pull through on this side. But still, after so many hours and not that much oil, thoroughly impressed. That is all for now. Hope you guys are enjoying these foundation review videos. And definitely, no why I missed this one. Stay tuned for next week's Sunday's video, because that one is definitely going to test. I will be testing, putting that one through the test. And the reason being is because this company claims, or their claim is that this foundation is geared towards workouts. It's a workout specific foundation. It is supposed to not budge no matter how much you sweat. So we're gonna work out with the foundation on next week. We're gonna sweat and we're gonna see if it budges or not. So definitely you don't want to miss next week's foundation review. But that's all for now. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this one. Any comments, leave it in the comment section below. And yeah, have a good day. Bye.